One horse almost broke through. Ready once again, race number 3. Gates open, they're up and racing. The Chosen One draws for your lead, moving upon the outside for speed to grab the lead. Newsmaker running by the rail, then in between runners is by Forsari, then alongside is Una Mujer, then comes Finish It Here, Royal Milestone, Ideal View, Grey Magic, and Happy Morning is running at the tail of the field. Rounding at the last 600 for speed, a solo leader shot clear by about 5 lengths. Running in second now by Forsari, then comes the Chosen One, Una Mujer is on the outside, Newsmaker. As they swing for home, for speed still leading the field by about 3 lengths, followed by the rail by runner number 7 by Forsari, the Chosen One. And down the stretch they come, it's still for speed leading the field, followed by Forsari, then comes Finish It Here, Royal Milestone, and finally it's for speed. Close between the Chosen One and Una Mujer, then comes Finish It Here, Ideal View by Forsari.